Links to web pages and email addresses are easy to add in Pages. First, let's add a web link. In this sample, I'd like to add a link to the company mentioned in the first sentence. So I can select the text that I want to contain the link, and then go to the Format menu, Add Link, right-click and select Add Link, or use the shortcut Command-K. A pop-up appears, into which I can choose to add a web page, email link, or bookmark. We'll go over bookmarks in their own lesson. I'll choose web page, and then I can enter the exact web address. I'll just put in www.themacu.com. In the display field is the text that I selected, so the actual web address is not going to appear, only this text. To signify it as a link, it's going to be underlined. Now when I click on the link, I get an option to either edit the link or open it. Click Open and the page is opened in Safari. Click Edit and I can change the web address or the display text. The final sentence in this paragraph says, "If you have any further questions, email me." So I'm going to select the words "email me" and add an email link here. I can enter the address that I want the email sent to, and even a subject that will be automatically entered. Now when that link is clicked, the user's Mail app should open with the new message addressed to info@themacu.com and the subject Report Questions. If you ever enter a full web or email address into a Pages document, Pages is going to automatically recognize it as a link. So these email addresses from the tabs lesson are already clickable. If I enter www.themacu.com, it automatically gets underlined and is set as a link. To make these links inactive, so they're not clickable, we need to edit the link and then choose to remove it. Over in the Grand Canyon report document, I've pasted a lot of filler text in from Wikipedia. That text came in with all these blue links still active. This can be nice because the reader can just click on these to get more information. But if you want to remove them, it can be done quickly. Just select the paragraph or chunk of text that includes these links. Then go up to the Format menu and Remove Link. That deactivates all the links in these two paragraphs. They're no longer clickable. To get rid of the blue text that was representing the links, just select the paragraphs again, and from the Styles menu, select the current style for that paragraph. In this case, Body 2. That forces all those former links back to black text. Links are going to work for anyone viewing the document on a digital device, whether it's in Pages format, Word format, or as a PDF. Next up, we'll look at bookmarks.